Instagram and YouTube. YouTube. Hey Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. How are you doing staying home? I'm feeling a little under the weather today. But you know, being a mom, I'm sure a lot of you moms out there can resonate with me. I don't get to rest. So I decided to get up, get dressed, and bake brownies because I love chocolate and chocolate always picks me up. So what better way than to make brownies? You know why? Because brownies has eggs and eggs are a good source of protein and it's a good fitness diet as well.
And it's my favorite.
So what's your favorite type of brownies? I like my brownies chewy, soft and gooey. I mean there are many types of brownies out there, right?
Gooey, chewy.
There are fudgy ones. Oh, well mine is also fudgy as well and mine is super chocolatey.
Chocolate.
So I found
chocolate
this
mustache brownies.
What better way than to homeschool by baking brownies? It's math, you know. And so let's get cracking.
Let's go! So to make brownies, you will need 200 gram chocolate, of course, 200 gram butter, 3 eggs, 115 gram plain flour, 30 gram cocoa, 220 gram custard sugar, and 250 gram white chocolate chips.
So let's start by preheating the oven to 170 degrees. So I'm going to be using my Thermomix to make these brownies, but if you want to make it the conventional way, I can send you the conventional steps as well. Alright, so Caleb, what's next? What do we do next?
Now we're going to melt the chocolate and butter.
Okay. So let's weigh out 200 grams of chocolate. Yep, okay. Let's weigh out 200 grams of chocolate and let's show them.
Delicious chocolate.
I only use the finest Belgian chocolate. Yum yum. And I use dark chocolate. Yeah, we did. Okay. Alright, let's weigh out 200 grams. Okay, let's just pour it some in.
Okay, how much do you want?
200 grams.
Okay. It sounds like stone hitting the stone floor.
Oops, too much.
225 grams.
Yes. 200 grams. There you go. Okay. I use this brand only because it's exactly 200 grams and I don't have to weigh it out.
So we can just pour the entire block.
And it was on discount. Where's my spatula? I'm missing my spatula. Cocoa.
How long?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. No, 17 minutes now. 4 minutes. It should be
Temperature is 60 degrees. 60. 60. 60. Yep. Okay. And 1.5. Speed 1.5. Or should we just, yeah, okay, that's good. Are you gonna make it? You make it in front of the camera.
So now we'll pour in the sugar.
So the recipe calls for 220 grams of sugar, but honestly that's way too much sugar for my liking. So I'm going with 150 grams of castor sugar.
Let's go.
Whoa, woo. Okay, good one. And then,
Ooh, it looks so coconut. It's like chocolate snow.
hang on. Now where is my spatula again?
Sorry, she's lost her spatula. But in the meantime, I'll keep you entertained.
5 seconds.
Yes. super fast.
Ooh! You don't want to crack the eggs? 3 eggs?
Yep, 3 eggs.
I use compound eggs. Okay.
I mean, look at it. I'm already fine.
Alright, you sure you don't want to crack them?
One eternity later.
Alright, Caleb, while I go wash my hands, can you put on the lid as well as the measuring cup? And then set 5 seconds. And don't forget the lid. Yeah, 5 seconds again. And speed 5 again, okay? Yep, it is.
5 seconds again.
Yep, 5 seconds, speed 5.
5 seconds, speed 5, just like just now.
Yep.
Let's wait!
It's done.
Well, we didn't really wait. That was just 5 seconds. Ha ha ha! Told you. You need what you have for 20 seconds and then 5 seconds. So,
After you mix in the eggs, it's time for the dry ingredients
which is flour and cocoa powder.
and cocoa powder.
Coca.
Cocoa. I hope I have enough cocoa powder.
I forgot that flour is a dry ingredient.
Yeah, these are the dry ingredients so that it's
Those things are wet ingredients.
So if you want your brownies to be a little more cakey rather than gooey, I like mine gooey. So you add more of the dry ingredients, but I like mine to be gooey and soft. So I'll be adding only 115 grams of flour. Right, Caleb, you add in the flour.
Okay. For it, I think.
Yeah, gently. Oh, gently, gently.
What is called dry ingredient?
Lower, otherwise it will poof up. Yes, that's right. There you go. Okay.
Magical.
Okay, that's fine. Now, and then put the lid on.
That's it. Ready?
Okay, 5 seconds. Again. Yep. Oh, wait. Okay, 5 seconds. Speed 5.
Again.
Yes.
Really? I don't remember 5 seconds being this fast.
There we go.
I mean, 5 speed.
Okay, hold it.
Ooh.
Smell it.
It looks like a chocolatey. It looks like it's really chocolatey, inflatable or something.
Scraping down the sides. So next, we're gonna add in white chocolate coins. I have a lot of white chocolate coins from Caleb's birthday, and
It's like just a chocolate coins, but that one is just a bit curled up. But this one is white chocolate.
yes, so we're gonna make it a little bit chocolate crunch inside.
White.
No, just to add a little bit more chocolatey.
So come on, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Alright, the recipe calls for 250 grams of white chocolate coins or chips, or just crushed white chocolate. But I'm gonna reduce it to say maybe 200 grams so that it's not too sweet as
Yes,
well.
but if you're a super sugar lover, you can.
Sugar lover?
I'm not one.
Sugar lover, seriously?
And don't forget, guys, after you do this, be sure to wash your hands. White chocolate can sometimes be very messy.
No, wait, look, we're just gonna pour it.
Oh,
Can I have the
so
weighing scale,
so
please?
we don't need to wash it.
No, we should always keep our hands clean.
Yes, especially with COVID.
Yes, we should always keep our hands clean.
How do like this?
But I would rather just pour it in like 200 grams. So,
Ooh, it's also white chocolate tea. Some of them are broken up.
yeah, that's fine.
A few moments later.
There you go. Like it. One more.
It's a little bit dull. I like it.
Like it. Let's set it to 10 seconds first.
Count down with me, okay, guys?
Okay, and then put it on reverse. Put it on reverse. Put the blade on reverse. Yeah, that's to reverse the blade. Yes.
What do you mean?
So you spin the other way around and you won't chop so much. Reverse.
Wow, you mean the blade for the French shape?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, there's a symbol.
Yes.
I never knew you could do that.
Okay, and then we are gonna go with brownies is
It's
done.
done and ready.
And I'm gonna pour it into this Neo Flame Midas low stock pot. But this is such a beauty, and I'm gonna be baking a brownies in it for the first time.
It's like chocolate slime.
Alright, don't play with it, really.
Okay, but it's like chocolate slime. And now I will attach the new flap Midas detachable handle to the low stock pot. Yeah. And remember, only use this detachable handle for these type of pots in the collection. Oh, heavy.
Alright, I'll help you.
Oh.
Okay.